Capture every visitor's attention and boost your sales with a scrolling announcement bar that pops on your Shopify store. First, head over to your Shopify admin and navigate to your online store. Then click on Themes. Find your current active theme and click the Customize button. Once the theme customizer loads, look for the announcement bar section in the left-hand sidebar. If you don't see it, you might need to scroll down or click Add section. Click on Announcement bar to expand its settings. Make sure the Enable Announcement bar checkbox is ticked. In the announcement message field, enter your compelling promotion or important update. Be clear, concise, and enticing. Now, for the dynamic effect, look for the color scheme option here. You can often choose from preset color combinations that can add visual appeal. To make it move, find an option like Enable Scrolling Announcements or similar wording. Click to enable this feature. If you enabled scrolling, you'll now see fields to add multiple announcements. Populate these with different messages for a rotating effect. Fantastic! Now, click the Save button at the top right to apply your changes. And there you have it. Your Shopify store now features a dynamic, attention-grabbing announcement bar that scrolls your key messages, designed to boost engagement and drive those conversions.